What's going on, Stroke fam? Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Man, today's been a blessed day. I have not really done anything, but I just feel good, guys. I hope you guys can feel that energy through the camera. But today's just been a pretty chill, laid back day, and I can't complain about anything. It's beautiful weather, and like I said, it's just been a good day. We got the 250 pulled out today. I actually went and got a quote on getting that door painted. Like I told you guys in the previous video, that we got to get this door painted before we lift the truck, guys. I want this paint and truck to be pristine before we put the lift on. So you guys looking forward to that lift going on. It's coming, guys. But we got to finish a few little things before we get that going. But yes, the lift has come in. Some of you guys may have saw that on my Instagram. Got it, lighting, there we go. Some of you guys might have saw that on my Instagram feed, but the lift has come in and it's actually sitting right there in front of the 350. We got the 350 pulled in. And I'm gonna show you guys the finished product of the lights, because the video, well no, actually that's 250, but I'm gonna show you guys those lights as well. But yes, I'm gonna show you the finished product of the lights for the 350 that we finished up in last video. They came out pretty awesome. It looked pretty good. I can't complain. We're definitely gonna do the job for now. I may end up building another set because I just like changing things up. That's a little sneak peek, but I just like changing things up. So who knows? I may go even with a different route, different thing on these, but they look good for now. We also got a new third brake light. You can see it right there. So let me pull this 350 out, and so I can show you guys what these lights are looking like. So we got the truck pulled out, guys. Probably can't really tell a difference from here, but these things came out really good. Excuse this front bumper cap. I will be repainting that. It's all kind of marked up and stuff, scuffed up, but we will be pulling that off and repainting that. But you guys can see these things came out sweet. You can see that's the little extra little thing I added in there. We ended up painting these like a silver. It looks silver now, but when I first painted it, it looked more chrome. It was a chrome paint that I used, but once I sprayed the clear over it, kind of made it look silver. So it'll do. Like I said, I might end up building another set, selling these, and building another set maybe a year or two from now. So who knows? But these came out really good, guys. They're kind of dirty. I've been driving. It's been about 2 days since I put them back on the truck, so they came out pretty good. I can't not complain. Have not leaked. It actually rained yesterday. Got our first rain, so they kind of got put to the test and they held up. So these are the tails. The tails look sick as well. Let me see, I'll move over here. The sun is blocking. But these are the tails. They came out pretty good too. They're dirty, like I said. I had yards to cut yesterday, so kind of got grass and dirt and stuff, mud kind of thrown on them, but they look good. You can see we incorporated that blue. We ended up going with that light anodized blue for the powder coat color. That's the reason I really asked for it, or you guys' opinion so early, because I wanted to incorporate that color into the headlights and stuff. So that's why I kind of jumped the gun on the powder coat color, because we haven't even gotten the lift yet, but I want to get that color set in stone so I can know my third color for the truck. And so when we start customizing things, you can match stuff. So that's why we got that. But you guys liked that last video, and you guys met the goal, 50 likes. I said I would show you guys what the custom lights I built for the 250 looked like, and that's what I'm gonna do, guys. You guys met the goal, so I gotta honor my word. But I'm gonna show you guys the lift, the boxes for the lift real quick before, dang, it's lighting. Let me turn the lights on here. Before we do anything else, before I show you guys that, I'm gonna save that for last. But man, I love having electricity in here now. Just hitting the switch. I used to have to plug everything up, but this is yeah, this electricity makes it a world of difference. But here's the lift, guys. Chaotic Customs came through. I mean, Concepts. I don't know why I was going to say Customs, but Chaotic Concepts came through. Our lift was delivered last week. Yeah, like last week, week and a half ago. We've already had these right here. These are our traction bars. That was already in our possession, along with the bushings and all that. Up in here, we've had this for about a year. I've had all this, just never put it on. But Chaotic Concepts, their quality is top notch, guys. Just like, look at those welds. He really takes pride in his work. You can see this is beefy stuff, guys. This is not no little cheap lift kit that you get. You can see those burns on the welds are all the way through. They penetrated all the way through the metal. So you know these things are built quality. We got our ballistic heims right here. These things are massive, dude. Like, this is my hand. And this is just for the traction bar, so I know the ones for the 4-link is gonna be big. But definitely check those guys out at Chaotic Concepts. They are a little backed up because of all the Corona stuff and all the orders they have been going, and he hand welds everything. It's not machine welded, he hand welds everything. So waiting on the lift kit kind of takes a little minute, but I'm gonna do a more in-depth video of this kit when we unbox it, because I got a lot of you guys been hitting me up asking to see it. So I will do more of like unboxing of that lift as well, but I just want to show you guys and tell you guys that we got it in, but we won't be doing anything with that one until we get this truck painted, because I don't want to, one, it won't fit in the paint booth if we put the new lift on, but two, I don't want paint overspray getting on the lift as well once we powder coat it. So let me show you guys these heads and tail lights. So guys, I got them pulled out. I brought them outside so you guys can see them in the sunlight, because inside the camera just doesn't these no justice, guys. It took me a little while to build these just because I was procrastinating, but I mean, this procrastination that went into these, it turned out really sick, and I couldn't be any happier. I built them the exact way I wanted them, and they came out awesome. So I'll put the lights outside, guys, because the lighting on the inside does these lights no justice, guys. So I put them out so you guys can see them in the sunlight. They look amazing. Like, I cannot explain to you guys on, like, in person, these things look amazing. So I can't wait till you guys see them at shows on the truck, because this camera is not gonna do them any justice. So yeah, without further ado, here are the new lights for the F250. I told you guys these things are sick. Just look at the details in them. We got the 6.0 labeling on the inside with the Ford. These things are freaking sick, guys. We got the projector, Morimoto projector, the D2S. These things are gonna be super bright. Also, in the projector we have our RGBW Demon Eye. Those are gonna look sick on the truck as well. Over on the tail light, you see we had to spice it up a little bit, put us a super bright pod, LED pod for our reverse light, and color match the running light, brake light thing. And we also had to put our YouTube badging on the inside. You know, we had to do that, guys. So these things came out sick, guys. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I know I'm gonna start seeing a lot of replications of these lights for other people, but I mean, it's all good, guys. That's part of the territory. Everyone has to put their own little spin on something. That's the same thing I did. I took a few ideas from here and there, made my own little thing, and incorporated things that I wanted. So like I said, this is not a super crazy light build, but this is not like a normal light build that you see a lot of shops or people get done. I could probably guess, me building them, the price that a shop or somebody would charge you to build these. And to be honest, the time it took to do them and get everything, the kit for the Morimoto projector, the headlights, the bulbs and all that, I would say something like this probably would run you $1,500 to $2,000. That's just me. Comment down below if you guys think you could probably get this done cheaper, but that's my opinion on me building them. I would say probably $1,500 to $2,000 on a set of lights like that, including the third brake light. I have the third brake light, but I just don't have it out here with me. But I did do the third brake light, so that would be included in this entire set as well. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you guys, it was worth the wait. But let me know down in the comments, guys. You know, I'm open to all, you know, comments, criticism, whatever it is. I'm open to all of it. I got an answer for it all. So yeah, get down below, hit that comment button, and let me know what you guys think about those lights, and also the F350 lights. So a lot is coming, guys. Like I said, we're gonna be dropping off the F250 to Tucson Customs next week, so they can fix that door and a few other little things on the truck, so we can get it ready for show season, and as well get that lift put on the truck. So once we get the truck back, we will be stripping the lift off of this truck, mocking up the new lift, making sure everything fits, test fitting. Then we'll hopefully finish our powder coating oven so we can powder coat everything, order our coilovers, and by that time our wheels should definitely be in. Still waiting on them, guys. Yes, still waiting on them. If you guys know somebody at, I can't even say the name of the wheel company yet, but scratch that, whatever. They should be coming in soon, real soon. I know they're gonna be worth the wait when they come in, so I'm not worried about that. Side little shameless plug. What should we do with these tires? Should we sell them? Give them away possibly? Yeah, because I'm thinking we're going with 40s. Definitely going with 40s, guys. So if you guys know anyone interested, I got some brand new 38 15.5 26-inch tires for sale. They're brand freaking new, spanking new. They've been sitting here since the day I got them. You can't even get these right now. They're on nationwide back order. So I'm the only person right now with a brand new set that's sitting here ready to be sold. So if you guys know somebody looking for them, let me know. Let them know to come get them. I'm gonna sell them for a really good price, probably cheaper than what you could buy them for once they do get back in stock. And right now it's Fury saying that it's probably 2 to 3 months before they get these back in stock. So if you guys know someone that's looking for a 38 15.5 26 for their Jeep, truck, whatever it is, let me know. Let them know to get in contact with me, because I'm trying to get these things off my hands so I can get some 40s for this truck. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please go down below, hit that like button, subscribe button, and also turn the notification button if you guys haven't already. We got tons of content on the way, guys. Spring is upon us and summer is right behind it. So you guys know we're gonna be cranking out videos and a lot of content, hopefully a lot at truck meets. We will be going to LST. So if you guys are gonna be there, let me know so we can link up. And yeah, so hope you guys have a great day and stay safe. Peace.